Let's release the habit of snacking at night when you're bored. When you're ready, begin to tune into your breath. Just allowing yourself to breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Each breath relaxing you more and more. That's right. Just breathing in and breathing out. Allowing your eyes to close down. With each breath, allowing all stress to melt away, all tension to dissolve. Continuing to breathe in and breathe out. That's right. Now you've set the intention to stop snacking at night, because that is something the old you did, and the new you makes a different choice. Continuing to breathe in and breathe out. Now you've made the decision that it is now time to stop snacking at night, especially when you are bored. And this is an easy choice for you to make and an easy habit to let go of, because you understand that you have the rest of your life to snack. And now you've decided that snacking while you are bored is something you want to change, and you want to do something else instead, something that is healthier for you, a more positive choice, a choice that feels supportive of your lifestyle and the goals that you currently have. So I'm going to ask your subconscious to help you release, remove, resolve, delete, and uncreate the habit of snacking at night when you are bored. Just release it now. Delete it, uncreate it, let it go. Very, very well done. You could even imagine yourself. See a picture of you on a movie screen. Notice yourself snacking at night when you are bored. Notice yourself, see yourself on that screen in front of you, snacking, overeating, indulging in unhealthy foods and snacks that take you further away from the lifestyle and the goals that you have for yourself. And now see that picture become smaller, smaller. Make it black and white. Make it blurry. Turn down the volume. Make it so it's very hard to make out the picture. Black and white, blurry. And now shrink it down, shrink it down, shrink it down until it no longer exists. And now it is part of your past. Very, very well done. And now I want you to see on a screen in front of you. On this movie screen, make it a movie. See yourself making a different choice at night when you are bored. Perhaps you see yourself taking in a breath and just doing a couple cycles of a breathing exercise. Or perhaps you stretch. Or maybe you send a friend a compliment or a text of gratitude and love. Perhaps you walk around for a moment. Whatever it is you decide to do, see yourself on the screen making a different choice, a choice other than snacking when you are bored. Notice what you are doing. See yourself on this screen and make the picture very big. Bring it close to you. Make it colorful, bright, clear, and crisp. Perhaps you can turn up the sound on this movie on the screen of you making a different choice, a more positive choice, a healthier choice that supports you and your journey of making a different choice besides snacking when you are bored. One that helps you feel healthier and supported in your goals. And you see yourself on this screen. Notice how you feel making a different choice. Make it big and bright and clear. Really take in how you feel. Really notice all the details. Notice everything that you can and how good it feels to be making a different choice, a more supportive choice. That's right. Just take it all in. Really notice yourself. Even notice what you're wearing, how happy you are that you're making a different choice. See yourself engaging in that different choice and notice how this new you feels happy and proud of your choice. How the new you feels supported and excited that you are making a different choice. Remembering how the old you used to snack at night when you were bored. And knowing now that the new you makes a different choice. When you are bored at night, instead of snacking, you take in a breathing exercise, you walk around, you send a loving text to a loved one, perhaps you stretch. Whatever it is you decide to do is just fine, because you know that it is supporting you and the new you, remembering that you lose nothing by choosing to stop snacking at night when you are bored, because you have your entire life to snack. And now you choose to do something different, and you lose nothing, and instead you gain an abundance of health and confidence in knowing that you are making choices that support you, your goals, and your journey. Take in and notice anything else that you become aware of as you watch yourself in this movie making healthy, wonderful choices at night when you are bored. Notice what you're doing instead. Just really take it in and take in the feeling of feeling proud of yourself, feeling happy, and feeling gratitude for the difference in your choices, for the new habit you're creating. Just take a moment and take it all in, grounding yourself in the new you. Very, very well done. Now in a moment, I'm going to bring you back from this experience. Know that change is happening. Every day it gets easier and easier and easier and easier for you to make a different choice and to stop snacking at night when you are bored. Every day it gets easier and easier and easier for you to choose something that supports you and your healthy, uplifting lifestyle. 1. Feeling returning to your fingers and toes. 2. All energy and complete balance. 3. Knowing that the old you has been released, removed, and resolved, and any resistance to stop snacking at night has been released, and you now have the confidence and courage and gratitude and pride to make a different choice, a choice that when you feel bored at night, that supports you in your life, in your journey, and your health. 4. Feeling as though your eyes have been bathed in cool, clear water. 5. Eyes open, awake, refreshed, recharged, feeling confident in this new habit that you are now creating each and every time you feel bored at night. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me for this recording today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, say hi in the comments, and share this video with a friend that you know is wanting to stop snacking when they are bored at night as well. So you have an accountability buddy and someone to do this together with. We have strength in numbers. And if you really, really, really like this video, there's a super thanks that you can hit to share a little extra gratitude. Before you go, say it with me. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. It's so easy for me to choose a different habit and create a different habit that supports me when I am bored at night. And I am sending you endless love, and I'll see you next time. Bye.